Well, good afternoon, guys. Well, today I'm going to show you an update of my workshop. We got on space again. The mini chopper, the scooter, and the Vespa is now sold. Yeah, so I have room for 2 chairs, so we can just that's it. Nice. Well, what I'm going to show you first, my spotter deluxe. Well, engine on it, and going to sell it. Here is my free lawnmower. I took the hood off. Didn't want to figure out why it wasn't running, but I couldn't figure it out. It just keeps a little puff. The valve is correct. The piston goes up, the exhaust opens, close, still closed, intake, exhaust, and so forth and so forth. Alright, crosser. There's the Kickstarter and the engine isn't running. Well, just my helmet and stuff like that. My Wolseley is back there. And all my tools and gas bottle from Wolseley is back there. A poog and a poog. And a firmware I'm working on. I took all the paint off. Awesome. Which paint? It's just green, blue, red, every color was on. I stripped the frame first, it was yellow. So yeah, I put some plaster on it. So, because there was a hole and stuff like that, I still have to smooth it up. First it was metallic blue, so too bad they painted in a different color. But the frame is in good shape, almost no rust except there. Awesome, right? So, really awesome. Luckily for me, they picked one paint because it will take a paint remover. Just an ordinary hand one, paint stretcher, and you took it all off. Well, my welding machine, you already saw that, I believe. Wow, but we still got more. I don't know yet. My 200cc engine running. If I get myself steady. Alright, this is my scooter engine. Well, I made a fit that I had rebuilt it, but you know, my computer crash was gone. What was wrong with it? One of the piston rings were snapped. So I bought another piston ring to take out a lot of compression right now. So that's awesome. Wow, yeah. Alright, what are we going to show more? I started working on some spotter mat stuff. Awesome. I hope it isn't raining anymore, so I can show you my spotter mat. It's right, okay. I placed it down here because I just drove it. Kill switch off. Some gasoline cold start. And again. Alright. Just set it down, right? Close the gasoline. So yeah. Well, my dad put his lawnmower outside. Well, I don't going to put it inside, it's his problem. Okay. I got a lot of stuff, man. I showed you my leader already, right? And I got a little bit, and still I have to rebuild that. Shoot. Spotter mat engines, what I still have to put back together. A lot of work. Well, right back there. A lot of push stuff, tools, duct tape to keep the dog of the neighbors shut up. No, just kidding. Een body of een Ducati. A lot of ignition, stuff like that. Well, yeah. I think we go over here. Some push stuff. For they're actually going to make some hard shelf over here where will be the wheels and stuff like that. This one the spotter mat. Pistons, a lot, I don't know which one is okay, which not. Almost complete engine. Got it for free. It also was in the stuff what I traded for the studio. Awesome. Just like this one. But it got space on him here. So yeah. Now the puchtars and stuff like that empty and make a bit arranging. Wow, my egg pipe to wish I don't have much to show because I showed everything in previous videos, I believe. I only got another boom box over down there. Awesome. So okay, well, I got new kind of Wheelie 40. Well, I use a lot of that junk. Oh yeah. What I also want to try to do is hack and spot a mat. So what I'm going to do is take that rusted cap, what I showed earlier. Heavy. This one, what's rusted away and stuff like that. And take my new can of degreaser with alcohol and stuff like that. It looks like pee, but it isn't. So just put it in there. So what I want to do with that one, see that? So what I want to do with that one is make it so that it wouldn't fit another carburetor on. Not this one, but just a carburetor. I was thinking about a push carburetor, a studio carburetor, or a Chrysler carburetor. This one would be nice if it would fit on actually. That really would be nice. This is my grease pistol. And grease stuff with it. Awesome. Got it for free also. Wow, well, nobody said what they wanted to see in the next video, so I thought, well, let's make just a bit, okay? There was no problem with this frame. They welded a bar between it. This one. I believe it was something like so. Yeah, it was between it like so. But I want to make it original again, so I removed it. So I have to grind it down. But the beginning is there, right? Well, just I want to make fit, so if you can just send me where you want to see about. So if you want to see something like regarding a spotter mat engine or what kind of engine, or get it one of those yeah, one of those push engines working, or just tell, and I will get it up, you know. Chain size hanging back there, all the oil is drained. I didn't, well, I think I'm going to sell it. I have something else to show. Nope, just a crappy frame. 2 bicycles. You already seen this, just that worse and worse, right? Oh, what about the coast thought all about? This old lawnmower. Old, it's my dad, so whatever. Let's see if there's still gasoline in it. Shoot. There it is. Yep, gasoline. Let's see, where's the choke? Where's the choke at this one? Damn it. Here it is. 1. Don't feel any suction yet. Yeah, now it's just some suction. Alright, I put it somewhere over here, I believe. Yeah. Oh, weird. I shut it down and it doesn't start. I knew there was something wrong with it. Well, too bad. Alright, stupid thing, it's standing outside for you in a while, so it started and it shut it down. There's a lot of gas in it anymore, so I think that's the problem, but well, it ain't mine, so I ain't gonna fix it. But it won't decide. He shouldn't have it standing outside, so I don't gonna fix it. Problems of somebody else. Only my own problems, right? Alright, where were we? Alright, yep. Some wheels. I want to get that orange flap for my Spider-Man. But the fun is, in Holland you have to get, you need a driver's license to drive a Spider-Man. But I don't have it, isn't a sign on it, so if the cop will hold me, I get a big fine, and they will take the Spider-Man and I won't get it back, and so yeah, and maybe a prison, but it's different. But just for sure the big fine and Spider-Man what they will take, so yeah. Rotating on it, so well, this weekend we will start fixing my buddy's Spider-Man and I will film it sometimes, so awesome. Well, the weird thing about it is he had decompression, but it ran really bad. We hate decompression on the Spider-Man, so well, we cleaned that engine and still wouldn't run great, so I donated him a normal type of engine. It's an 2.0A, got in 203. So yeah, let's close that one and open this one. Yeah, a lot of garbage. You don't see it, huh? Calcium carbide. Nice. Contact with water liberates extremely flammable gas. In case of fire, use fire extinguisher or twice and never use water. What it does, when you put water on it, it will gas and you get propane. And you can weld with the gas, so it's very dangerous. So always use it correctly or else you get problems. Oh, alright. This paint for my pool, it takes a really time to dry. That's shitting. Yeah. My light broke last night and I tried to fix them and but what the fuck? I'm busy! Come on! Turn on back! But well, you know we didn't come back homeward. The wire is okay and this one is replaced a few times again also. Yeah. Well, I don't know what to say anymore. So, if anyone has some request what they want to see in the next vid, just to send me or reaction, and I will make a vid about it, I think. So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. You subscribe me, I subscribe back. So that's my rule. That's my rule. So please tell me what you want to see in the next vid. Do you want to see a rebuilding vid about putting and pull back together, or you want to see a vid about rebuilding an engine, or just let me. And well, in this weekend we're also going to rebuild this book. So if anybody is interested in rebuilding it, just tell me and I will make a vid about it. So yep, there was really the worst movie what I have made since. I'm sorry for that, but well, okay. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm going to shut down here again. Shutting down. So yeah, okay. Engine projects over and closing. Goodbye. So yeah, I just asked and stuff. So, but if it question about the engine, if you have some problems with the engine, I can also try to help you with your problems. So, problem solving fits and stuff like that. So I have good news also. I got an AdSense account, so I can make money with my videos. Well, at least I hope so. I can buy a better camera. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and yeah, please subscribe. Place your reaction down below. Thank you for watching, and goodbye, guys. Goodbye.